Hey Carlos, it's Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. Thanks for talking with me on the phone earlier. This is the complimentary website audit that I promised you, kind of showing you what I do, how I do it, how we bring in a lot more business for a lot of the painting contractors that I've worked with. And all that I ask in return of this is just a little bit of feedback from you, maybe your thoughts, or if you have a question, just either email or text or call me. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So the general gist here of how we bring in a lot of business is we find markets that are having lots of search volume on Google, and we figure out exactly what words the people are searching for, and then we build a website that ranks in this Google Map Pack and number one organically in order to capture a lot of that traffic. And so I picked Staten Island painters because I know that it's being searched. I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 400 searches every month for Staten Island painters. And as you can see, the keyword difficulty is a 0, so it would be really easy to build you guys a website and get it ranking to the top here in this number one spot for these specific key terms that people are actively searching for. Okay. So we found our niche in our area and the specific keywords that we could use to rank you guys to the top. And this video, I'm going to show you three main ways that, three main things that we do to a website in order to get it to rank to the top. And I'm going to use this website that I built in Tallahassee as the example. And the first main thing is the content on the home page. So if we copy everything here, including the pictures that you're seeing, what we save them as, and we throw it into this word counter, it shows us that there's 1,788 words just on the home page. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page of a website, and in there you want whatever keyword you're targeting to be placed in there in a specific order. So as you can see with this particular website, we were looking for Tallahassee painters. That's the keyword. And so we have it there in the front here as well as in the text. And so that context makes it relevant to the search term. For you, we could do, Staten Island painters, and it would be a lot easier ranking here because the context would be relevant to this search. The second thing is backlinks, and basically all a backlink is the one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. Okay, so if we took this URL here and threw it into Ahrefs again, it shows me the back end of my website and the website health. Again, I'm using this Tallahassee Painters website that I built just to show you the example because I couldn't figure out if you guys had one. I have your Instagram page here, but I don't see a website to it. So I took the URL, threw it in here, and it shows me that we have 300 plus backlinks coming into this website, and the rating here is pretty healthy. This is what Google rates our website as, so that's kind of a big reason why it's ranking and producing leads, because its rating is good with these backlinks, and the backlinks help it become more relevant to specific search terms. Okay. The third and final thing has everything to do with this Google Map Pack here, and I'm going to use one of your competitors as the example in this one. So if we click on their Google My Business page, they have their name, address, and phone number verified, and then also they have about 40 citations placed on various directories throughout the web. And that's all the citations are. It's like, yellow pages, BBB, etc. And it just has their business name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories throughout the web. And that makes their Google My Business page a lot more kind of verified and relevant to these specific search terms. And this Google My Business spot is very important because this is what comes up on mobile devices, which, as you know, a lot more people are searching on mobile devices now. And it's also a lot more verified, so about 65% more people are going to click on one of these three businesses. So anyways, that's all I had for you today. Again, all I ask is just for a little bit of feedback, either your thoughts or questions. It can be anything, just reply to the email or send me a text or call. I will follow up with you tomorrow just to kind of get some feedback from you. So, thank you. Have a great day.